What's the worst mess your kids have made in the car?
I almost had a heart attack. Oh, we got to our destination. I look, crayon all over the back.
I feel like at some point I drew on the car. But it was on like the Cadillac, and on the inside it was like that beige white color and crayons.
Oh no.
Didn't really go on.
And I'm like, oh.
Do you have any other tricks or tips?
I'd say salt is like so bad.
Yeah, I can't get that out. So when it was detailed, that was like the only time I could get it out, or they got it out.
I've really been trying to keep it clean because I'm really excited about it being clean.
Because I always forget. Mom says to put the dirty napkins in the door, and I put them in the door and then I forget they're there. That's why we got a trash can for the car.
I bought this little garbage can that fits in a cup holder.
A little mini trash can, you can just throw your trash in.
That's really smart.
And so we're doing better with keeping it clean. So.
How often does Dad clean the car?
Never.
Well, he'll help us spray the hose on the outside sometimes.
Sometimes he just takes his chair and sets it outside, and then he just watches me do all the work.
So did Ziebart clean your car better than your parents do?
Yes.
And the inside's like the forbidden area that we never touch.
You guys are brutally honest.
It's all about what the people see on the outside.
Would an interior detailing be a good gift from a significant other?
That'd be really nice for my dad. The same person who taught you about cars.
I mean, that would be a great Father's Day gift for my husband. Yeah, he would love that because the kids eat in his car even more than they do in mine. So.
We found these items while cleaning. I'd say one of you aren't who you say you are.
I'm not missing any knives, so.